Okay, this time I'm doing it with a comedy accent. You can guess where I'm pretending to be from. Okay, as always with algebraic fractions, the first thing we do is factorise, so let's start by doing that. Factorise the top of this first fraction. Factorise fully the second fraction. Okay, and then I'm dividing by another fraction. So what I can do is leave the first one the same. I change the sign to a multiplication sign, and then I flip the second fraction. And I don't forget to factorise where I can. I can't factorise a 6y, but I can factorise the bottom now of the right-hand fraction. I can see it's a difference of 2 squares. So it's y minus 1, y plus 1. And then I look to see whether I can do any cross-cancelling, or cancelling top and bottom. And I can see that I've got a y minus 1 on the top of this fraction, and a y minus 1 on the bottom of this fraction, so I can cross those off. I also notice that I have a 6 on the top of this fraction, so I can put a line through there and change that to a 2 because I have a 3 on the bottom of this fraction. What else can I do? I see that I have a y here, so I can put a line through there, and I can change this y squared to a single y just there. I look around to see if there's any other cancelling down I can do on top and bottom, and sure enough I see there's another y over here, and then there's another y on the bottom of this fraction here. Now what I need to do really carefully now is to make sure I don't miss anything. I look at the top of the fractions. Over here I seem to put a line through everything. But what that means is I'm left with the number 1. Over here I've got 2. So I've got 1 times 2. It gives me 2 on the top of the fraction. And on the bottom down here I'm left with y plus 1 for the left-hand fraction and y plus 1 from the right-hand fraction. So I can multiply those together and have 2 over y plus 1 all squared. And there we go. Woo! Did I make a mistake?